Alright, so in my previous video, I made a video on how you can simply create your Telegram channel, and most of you came to my DM asking about how to create a Telegram group and also connect group to your Telegram channel. Okay, so in this very video, I'm going to simply go straight to the point and show you how you can create a Telegram group and also add this Telegram group to your Telegram channel so that two of them can work hand in hand, and you can simply use this and build your audience, grow your traffic, and also your online income. Okay, so without further ado, if you're new to this channel, this is John Francis, where I teach you my proven ways to make money online. If this interests you, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you're going to be the first to see it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right away. Click on this dashboard section. When you click on that, then you click on this new group, or you come back here and click on this special button. This is it, and you click on this new group. Okay, so click on new group. Like I told you, when you're creating either a group or channel, don't add anybody. It can trigger ban, or maybe Telegram removing your account or your channel from Telegram app. Okay, create your group without adding anybody. If you want to add somebody, make sure you copy the link, then send it to the person can join. All right, and if you're sending it to the person, make sure it's outside Telegram. Okay, so if you're sending the link, make sure it's outside Telegram. You can send it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, blah blah blah, and the rest. Okay, I'm gonna simply click on this button here. When you click on that, make sure you add the name of your group. Okay, so remember, this group can contain only 200,000 people. Okay, but Telegram channel can contain millions. All right, there's no limit to the number of subscribers you can get on your Telegram, but there's a limit you can get on Telegram group. Okay, so that is that, and you have to simply add the name of your group. For instance, in my first video, I told you that the name of the channel is Padded Vibes. Okay, so here I'm going to simply use Padded Vibes as well. Okay, so you have to make sure you turn off this. You have to make sure that this is off. Okay, so don't turn this on so that all the messages on your Telegram group will not be deleted at a specific time. Then add your profile picture. So I'm going to simply use this as this profile picture. All right, so when you add that, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this button. Alright, so we've already created a group. You can see right here we can only add 200,000 members on this very group. Okay, and we have one member, and that member is me. Okay, so remember, we have already created the Telegram group, and you can as well customize it the way you want it by clicking on this button here. When you click on that button, the next thing you have to do right now is simply make sure that this particular group is set on public. Okay, so that people can easily discover it on search. Whenever they type in that name, then they can simply see it. Okay, and also join without any restriction. Okay, so you click on this private section, then make sure you turn this group to a public group. Okay, then add a link to it. Okay, when you add that, the next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and select if you want to approve members when they join. Okay, but I don't recommend you go for this. Just leave everything the way they are right now and click on this save button. Okay, all right, so this page has been set up and it is now on public. Okay, anybody can search for it and join the platform. Right, so the next thing we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and click on this save button, or you add your description right here. Okay, so you save it. So our group is ready. So for you to get members to this very group, you need to copy this link outside Telegram. Okay, send it for your friends on WhatsApp, on Twitter, on Facebook, for them to join you. Okay, so if they can join, then they can simply go ahead and copy the link and refer their other friends. Okay, then they're going to simply join on this very platform. And with this particular group, you can build up your audience for your blog, for your YouTube channel, and lot more, and make money from the traffic coming up. All right, so this is simply how you can create your group. So the next thing that is remaining is connecting this group to your channel. Okay, so if you have a channel that you want to connect this group to, you can simply go ahead and connect it by following this particular strategy. All right, so the next thing we're going to do right now is simply go to that particular channel where you want to add the group. So click on it, then come back to this section, then click on this pencil button. All right, so the next thing you have to do right now is simply click on this section that says discussion, then click on add. Okay, the next thing you have to do right now is simply search for that particular group that you created for that specific channel. Okay, and that is the group here, which is Padded Vibes. Okay, so you want this to be a group where people can easily comment or chat. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is simply click on this particular group, which is this one here. So but if you don't have a group, you can simply go ahead and create a new group. I have to simply click on this Padded Vibes, then click on this link group. Okay, so this has been linked automatically. The next thing I'm going to do right now is simply click on this save button, and this has been saved. If you type in anything here, let's say hi everyone, You can see right here, it now has leave a message. Okay, and mind you, you have to make sure that the group is open for everybody to discuss. That is the only way this can work for you. Okay, if your group is not open for everybody to speak, you have to make sure you reset it by coming back to the group you've already created. Let's say this is the group right here, and you have to simply click on this, then click on this, go to permission. Okay, and make sure you turn this on. Send text messages. This is allowing group members to send text message. You have to turn it on. So this is simply how you can easily go ahead and create your Telegram group, Telegram channel, and also connect your Telegram group to your channel, okay, without stressing it out. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel for more tips on how to make money online. Okay, if you want to learn how to make money on Telegram, the video showing your screen right now is going to simply allow you to do that. See you in that very video.